Hello dear 7A, I'm Mr. Kylie. Today I'm going to present you the Great Kanto Earthquake which happened in 1923. Before we go deeper into the subject, you guys might be wondering, how do earthquakes occur? Earthquakes occur due to the sudden and jerky movement of plate tectonics. And now you guys might be wondering, how do the plate tectonics or plates move? So the plates move due to the convection occurrence of the magma, making the magma rise higher to the point it reaches to the Earth's lithosphere, and since it can't rise anymore, it decides to go towards the side, taking the plate along with it. Now the Great Kanto earthquake was a perfect example of a convergent boundary. So the convergent boundary is a type of plate movement in which one plate slides into the other. And now let's talk about the earthquake. So the earthquake happened in Japan, and it was approximately 8,836 kilometers away from Berlin. As you can see here, this is Germany and this is Japan. So we were at a safe distance when this happened. Okay, so when did it happen exactly? So it happened at the 1st of September, 2:58 a.m. Universal Time Zone, and it was around 11:58 a.m. for Japan, and the duration of the earthquake was 4 to 10 minutes, and the earthquake on the magnitude scale was 7.9 on the magnitude scale, and the location of the epicenter was 35 degrees 19.6 north, 139 degrees 8.3 east. And you can also see the epicenter here, which you can see it here. It was close to the Kamagawa city. And the affected plates were the Philippine Sea Plate and the Okhotsk Plate. And now let's go ahead to the damage it caused. So since it occurred when people were cooking meals with open fires, there was a leak in gas canisters, thus causing huge fires to spread out, and these huge fires slowly turned into fire tornadoes. These fire tornadoes swept around the city, as you can see here, before and after, thus melting the tarmac roads. And it also caused a huge tsunami raising up to 10 meters in height and washing it down on the Yokohama port city. Tokyo was also suffering a huge amount of landslides. And now the social part, the social impacts. The social impacts were that ethnic Koreans were massacred after the earthquake due to false rumors. The false rumor was that the ethnic Koreans were going to attack Japan at its weakened state. And now, due to this false rumor, a lot of anti-ethnic Koreans and vigilantes decided to massacre them. And then after this incident, the government emphasized on providing information about natural disasters, accurate information. And the economical damage was that it needed $1 billion back then to rebuild Tokyo, which costs around $18 billion today. And due to this incident, the government became more cautious and spent their funds on earthquake protections. And as we can see here, this was the fire damage map, the map which the fire occurred, the damage, and the earthquake map, the areas where the earthquake happened. And the total of deaths were 142,800 deaths. And if you count also 40,000 missing presumed dead. Now this is the end of my presentation. Before I end it, here are the sources. I use Google Images /search and Wikipedia, and also a bit of Google Earth. Thank you very much.